IPF dini enggai nan halahali Ashrambari ni Chongmari basanai adong Bobes de Burma Pharsalok Hwai SDM ni thani bini nomination blaya farirkha logiwo tongkha Bolong Mantri Member Kumar Jamatia phani ADC Chongmari wa IPF di bodon okaplai engnai hinei khatungjakte ADC hamkrai tubunai hini shaka kok toma thumnai rokni biskango koklamna rukthani
আজকে আমি নয় হালহালি আশ্রামবাড়ি আইপিএফটি প্রার্থী বিজেপি আইপিএফটি জোটের প্রার্থী আমি এইটাই মেসেজ দেই আমাকে হালহালি আশ্রামবাড়ি যত জনতা আমি বিশ্বাস করি আমাকে হালহালি আশ্রামবাড়ির মানুষ আমাকে ভোট দিয়ে বিপুল ভোটে জয় করব বলে আমার আশাবাদী
2021. Now we are going to submit the memorandum, submit the nomination paper on behalf of the Bobes de Burma, 9th Ashram Halhali constituency in ADC, and we are very much sure and confident that today, by seeing the large gathering of the people and people excited and their very enthusiasm, certainly it proved that our favorable candidate Bobes de Burma is going to win in the coming election, and we are very certain that BJP IPFT alliance government will certainly make the government in the district council, and we are confirmed and believe that the 28 seat which was contested by the both BJP IPFT alliance will certainly win in the election, and we are full hope and confident that the public will support to us. Both communities, tribal, non-tribal, will eagerly waiting to cast the vote, and we are confident that this time also with the large number, with large maximum numbers will get, and certainly will win from the government. Thank you.